You know, it is hard to believe with all the images that we're seeing that Sandy was actually just a Category 1 storm.
There's a lot
hurricane.
more to it than that. Superstorm Sandy was the most energetic Atlantic storm in modern history. KRCR News Channel 7 meteorologist Rob Elvington breaks down the weather facts with this so-called perfect storm.
At its peak, Superstorm Sandy was 1,500 miles wide with tropical storm force winds extending 500 miles from the center. And at its peak, Sandy released more energy than any Atlantic storm in modern history. Think back to high school physics. We measure energy in the form of joules. So a joule is a measurement of energy. So a joule is 1 watt second. Now you can think of a joule like this. If I lift this can of soup right here about 4 inches off the ground, that's 1 joule. Hurricane Sandy at its maximum was 322 trillion joules of energy. That's equivalent to 5 Hiroshima atomic bombs going off every second. This estimate is placed on a scale called the Integrated Kinetic Energy Index, created by the Hurricane Research Division of NOAA. With 6 being the highest on scale, Sandy topped out at 5.8, surpassing Hurricane Ike's 5.6 from 2008. The now infamous Hurricane Katrina of 2005 is listed at a value of 5.1. Putting Sandy in perspective, meteorologist Rob Elvington, KRCR News Channel 7.
Hiroshima is going off every 5 seconds.
I had a question, though. If this is like the most energetic storm, why was it only a Category 1 hurricane? It should have been a Category bazillion.
Because it's not just, it's the way they measure hurricanes versus the way this particular kind of measurement.
I just know it was a really big storm.
It was a really big storm.
Really big storm. Now, weather here in the North State felt a little